romhaibh chairde. Tá mé glár an Gaeilge an seo. An leis. Fechan seo. Níl mo grúige rú, ní mo chuid grúige rúad a heile. Tá an cahart faoi dhearr. Forgive me for this here. Whatever, you know. This is me. It grows itself. It's nothing to be ashamed of. I want to speak that. Béarla's cutting in. I want to try and speak in Irish. Is éireann me. Is éireannach me ach ní raibh mar an Gaeilge ann nuair a bhí mé óg. Nuair a bhí mé óg ba Béarla gach rudann seo. Béarla a bhí ann ar an talafís, ar an radio, sa scoil, sa teach. Ach is éireann me ach is duisceart na hÉireann me. Mar sin bhí cúpla rang an Gaeilge gom nuair a bhí mé óg sa scoil ach ní raibh sé i gceannach. It wasn't like compulsory. I gceannach. Ní raibh sé i gceannach. Ach thosaigh mé Gaeilge amhúil a rís le linn COVID. Faoin timpeall 3 bliana anois ach is brála mé sin is na fiúmmeanna na dúchasach raibh na sásanna ag teacht chuigéireann ar Gaeilge. I can't really explain that. I'm interested in learning Irish. Like I had a few classes when I was younger, you know, in the north, but it wasn't compulsory, and I only had a few. I think I read more like French than Frankish than Gaeilge. But then I started learning, like during COVID, really, and then I was interested in the Gaeilge before, like the English influence. Like, what did it sound like, you know, way back in the day before, you know, other sounds got into it. And, you know, I'm sure it's a long story and it changed way before that also, but ní raibh sé nádúrtha. That was not a natural type of change. So that's just trying to preserve something and like Fáilte, you know, na rudaí a bhí Fáilte, the things that were like lost or something. So that's what I'm interested in, like the ways they used to speak and think and all of that, and that includes the phonology. And it's a guessing game, and I'm not perfect. And ní forf meise. I can try, you know. I want and I can try. And if I keep her going, you know, I'll get better. Anyway, I just want to try and talk Irish a wee bit. Yeah, more work. Nice mo. dhéanú mar to do sin é a chairde feiceadh mé sibh a rís agus slán go fóin.